Okay, so, uh, Elite controllers. There's been many issues with the right and left bumper, and where it's not responsive when you click that. I saw a comment on some guy's video. If you just like clip down and then blew where that gap is, it would work. It would work just like before, and it's working like it was never before. What the hell? I had a panic attack 2 days ago about me not being able to fix this bullshit. Sorry for my language. But just blow through this in this gap right here. And it works. It will work like brand new. If it doesn't work, open it up inside and take the plastic piece out right here where where it usually is. If you can look up a video on how to do that. I'm not prying this open for the 40th time again. But you blow into this gap right here really hard and do the same with this one if you have an issues with that one. And it fucking works. Like, holy shit. Why haven't I tried this? Well, I mean, I tried it, but it works like brand new. It's like nothing ever happened. I just a couple days ago, I had to push down with the force of fucking gods to make it work. And now it's just simple tap, simple tap, simple tap, simple tap. I'm so happy. Oh my god. I'm genuinely happy. Oh my god. Food. I'm so happy. Okay, if this worked for you, congratulations. You just got a pro tip from me, from another guy to me, and then now you know this pro tip. And if it ever happens again, and just blow into that little thing. You'll hear that sound when you blow in. Oh shit. It works fine. It's just like brand new. Holy shit. But that's basically it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Please. I have nothing else to I have nothing else. But like the video too. Let people know about this fix. It's just a waste of time opening the entire case just to take out plastic pieces and realizing that's not gonna fix it. Oh my god, finally. But make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video for people who are having issues with the same issue with the series. I mean, the Elite Controller Series 2. Alright, see ya.